Welcome to this tutorial on the tonumber command in Splunk Search Processing Language. The tonumber command is a fundamental function that converts string values into numeric format. This conversion is essential when you need to perform mathematical operations on data that is stored as text. By transforming text-based numbers into actual mathematical values, you can perform calculations, statistical analysis, and various operations that require numeric data types. The syntax for the tonumber command is straightforward and simple. You write tonumber followed by parentheses containing the field name you want to convert. The basic structure is tonumber opening parenthesis field underscore name closing parenthesis. This command takes any field that contains string representations of numbers and converts them into actual numeric values that Splunk can use for mathematical calculations and statistical functions. The tonumber command serves two primary purposes in Splunk. First, it enables mathematical operations by converting string numbers so you can perform calculations and arithmetic operations on your data. Second, it facilitates statistical analysis by allowing you to use numeric functions like sum, average, maximum, and minimum on fields that were originally stored as strings. These use cases are fundamental when working with log data (CSV) files, or any data source where numeric values are imported as text. Here is a practical example of how to use the tonumber command. We start with index equals sales to search our sales data. Then we use the eval command to create a new field called price underscore numeric, which contains the result of tonumber applied to the price field. Finally, we use the stats command with sum function on our newly converted numeric field to calculate total underscore sales. This converts the string price field to numeric format, enabling us to perform the sum calculation accurately. The tonumber command becomes more powerful when combined with other Splunk commands. In this advanced example, we search log data using index equals logs. We convert the response underscore time field to numeric format using eval and tonumber. Then we use the where command to filter results where response underscore time underscore number is greater than 1000 milliseconds. Finally, we calculate the average response time grouped by server. This demonstrates how tonumber enables both filtering and statistical operations on converted numeric data. Remember these two critical points about the tonumber command. First, it is essential for mathematical operations. You must convert string fields to numeric format before performing any mathematical calculations or statistical functions. Second, the tonumber command handles invalid data gracefully. When it encounters non-numeric strings or invalid data, it returns null instead of causing errors. This built-in error handling prevents calculation failures and ensures your searches continue to run smoothly even with inconsistent data quality. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.